Okay, okay. So we'll start for the session, and Dhanasri will assist the student to how to create that Facebook pages, because digital marketing is the main intention in our syllabus. Okay, so how to create a Facebook page, how to link it with your Instagram, and what all settings are there that she will be demonstrating with us. Okay, Dhanasri, you can share your screen.
Yes, sir.
You start.
Can
Yes, you start from a scrap. Just uh, create a new
okay,
page directly. Yeah, yeah.
okay, sir. First we logging. First we must have to log in through our Facebook account to create a page or do some activities on our Facebook. So there are two options to create a page. So we can click this symbol and we are directly go through this dashboard. There are some pages I have already created for my clients, and there is option to create a new page. So from here I can also create a page, and second option is that I want to click these nine dots, then click on the then there are some options, post, story, room, page. So I want to create on this page option, and I can directly create a page. So, please, someone tell me one name to create a page. Hello?
धनश्री दूसरी धनश्री वेल दे एनी आइडिया फ्रॉम योर साइड कुछ करना है पेज तैयार कौन सा यू जस्ट हेल्प हर ऋषिकेश कौन सा बनाना है अभी
Dhanashri, please suggest me one name for cake shop or bakery. Rushikesh,
आर देर
Shankar, Naneshwar.
आर यू देर आर यू देर Naneshwar, Rushikesh. Yes,
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 sir.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah. You suggest the name. Suggest any name.
Can we create my shop name? Glossary shop name.
Yes, yes, yes. No problem.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Please tell me name.
Vedananda Kirana.
Vedanand grocery shop.
Wait,
Sir, Vedanand.
okay.
Vedananda Glossary shop.
It's okay. Vedanand is okay, okay. Then
Okay.
category.
Category grocery. Here are some categories drop down. When we type something in this box, that is from grocery, I simply type GRO. Then one drop down list is there, and I want to select the category from there only. So I select the grocery store. So please, Rushikesh, please tell me some description about your shop, or we can. Okay. So,
We'll just
huh,
click on Wikipedia, and you get some text from there also.
yes.
Yes.
So, simply write here some description about your page or your store. Then there is character limit. Here we can see that character limit is 255 words. So, under this limit, we can simply add our description. Then simply click on, here is one option, create page. Then click on it. So here we can see that Vedananda grocery shop is created. Now you can add images to go your page and more details. Okay, so there are more option comes when we create our page. First, we have to add our profile picture, cover photo. So we can take a picture from Google.
Save it in on desktop. Make a folder on desktop, and so that it will be easy for you. Yes, yes. Images of
Yes.
grocery. Make a folder. Make a folder. Latecomers, Aarti, Maheshwari, you have to be on time.
Uh, we also need one logo.
Yes, yes, yes. You can use this one.
So
Yes, yes.
okay. So first we add a profile picture. So take here only logo.grocery. So here we can see that our logo is updated in our page. Uh, then we can add our cover photo and we click on it save. Okay. Uh, we can see here it shows that this cover photo is too small. Please choose a longer cover photo. So we can take cover.
Dhanasri, uh,
Yes, sir.
can we add a cover photo in one single photo or more than one photo?
No, we can add more than one photos also. So here our page. So when I click on edit cover photo, there are choose a photo, create slideshow or upload a photo. When I click on upload a photo, there is option. Means I can add only one photo. But when I click on create slideshow, there are option to create a clouser, or we can add multiple images in that also. So Rushikesh, your doubt is clear now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so simply click on edit, then click then if you have to update more than one cover photo, then simply click on slideshow. Otherwise you can also click on upload photo and select a photo for your cover page. Here you can set also, means drag down, आपको क्या करना है वो कर सकते हो. Then simply click on save. So here we can see that our page is created, our logo is updated, our cover photo. Then we can click on, there are some options at the right hand side. We click on settings and just click on when I explain it again. So uh, this page is created. Now we want to add some information in our page, that is our location, our contact number, number and all. So you can see that there are some options: home, news feed, insights, edit page info and all. So you can simply click on settings and then page info. Also here you can also edit your option, edit your information, or there is another option to edit your page information is that simply click on edit page info. So same dashboard is open when you click on edit page info, or when you go to settings and then go to page info also. So you can see that there is already our page name is there, description is there, grocery shop category which is our category is also there. Rushikesh, can you please tell me your contact number?
7387.
1 minute. So here we first select our country code, then Rushikesh phone number
73
73
87
87
829832.
82 98
9832. 32.
30
32.
32. Okay. So our phone number is updated in our page. So Rushikesh, you want to show your contact number on your page, or take it privately?
Let him
Here
show
is one
because he want to make a business, so let him have to be display his mobile number. Keep it, yes.
Please show me both way, means private or public.
what? Rushikesh, can you please
Tell mobile number your again.
tell us again?
7387
7387
829832.
829832.
9832.
Okay, so my page doesn't have phone number. Okay, uh, we updated here. Uh, Please tell me your email ID.
B Rushikesh.
What?
B.
Uh,
B
B Rushikesh. Okay.
B
B
Rushikesh 003 @gmail.com.
003 great gmail.com. Okay. So you have registered on Google My Business.
No.
Okay, so we can simply click here. My page doesn't have a website. Can you please tell me your address, or simply send it in a chat box? Then I can copy and paste here.
Okay, okay.
So if you don't have any website, then we all know that we can we some we can when we search something on a Google, suppose I search for a cake shop, then we can see that there are number of bake shops are available near me. So uh, when I can see that names, when I created my business, when I register my business on Google, then uh, when I created when I register my business on an Google, then I can then I can only see my shop here when I search something.
So where to
Rishikesh,
So,
Address, please.
Dhanashree, where to registered? You just explain where to registered for Google m-
Google
business,
My
Google
Business.
business, Google business. So the window also, so that the people will can understand where exactly the Google business is actually lying.
Okay. Uh, so
In your Gmail account, there is always a tab. Yes,
yes.
yeah.
Uh, Here I am logged to my Gmail account. I simply click on these nine dots, and there is one option, business profile. So Google My Business name is updated by Google, and it is now Google My Business profile. So I simply click on it. Here are some businesses I already registered on Google. That is Vishwamangal Ayurved, the travel agency in Nagpur, the Guidesy, and all. So if I want to add a business, so I can simply click on it, add a single business, or here add your business to Google. Rushikesh,
You put
Yes.
Rushikesh business over there also in business, so that it will be visible to everybody. Yes,
okay.
yes.
Rushikesh, can you please tell me your Gmail account password now so we can register it on Google?
Uh, Google Gmail account password.
Gmail account password, so
Yes.
that she will be logging into your account, and then after that she will be creating your business account, so that it will be visible for everybody who will be searching grocery shop near your location.
Okay, okay.
You just tell her the username password, and then after that you can change your credential, no problem.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, 96
Add account, so she will be logging with your credential. Email ID B.
Gmail
96
ID
B Rushikesh
one Virushikesh
003
003 at the rate
at the rate
gmail.com.
gmail.com. At the rate gmail.com.
Okay,
No,
one
no, wait,
minute.
one minute. There is hashtag you have put
At the
in,
rate.
and you have put,
Yes.
back. नहीं 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 what you have done मेरे ख्याल से you have logged in
Okay.
into Rishikesh, you have yes, you have logged in,
Nine nine sir.
hash hashtag
Sorry. Uh,
you need to,
yes.
yes, yes,
Virushikesh.
Rishikesh 003 @gmail.com. hashtag ची सवय लागली तुला.
Sir. So we can simply click on next. Then Rushikesh
Password
password
Uh, 96
96
04
04
77
77
80
80
Rushi. Small guess. Rushi.
small
RUSH.
Rushi.
Hi. Okay.
Okay. Then click on next.
Rishi, you change your password after this. Attack the mobile, you accept
Rushi.
double two-sided verification. Click 44. Suchita, are you there? Suchita, digital marketing girl. Yes, Suchita.
So,
Next lecture you have to be prepared for your session, because you are working already with digital marketing. So on what platform you will be displaying some website? Are you LinkedIn? Can you use LinkedIn to create any promotional page? Suchita?
Sir.
Yes, Suchita.
no, sir. I'm
Then
writing blog.
okay, so you can share your blogging also, na? No problem. It is again a part of a digital marketing. So is
Yes,
it
sir.
feasible for you for next session, that you have to show how these blogs are being created and how it has been implemented?
Sir, actually, I'm not feeling well, so can
Next
I
week,
take
next week.
after this?
We
Hi.
after 3 4 days, no problem.
Hi, yes, no
Yes,
problem.
we today is Wednesday. I think so. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that we don't have a session. So on Friday we'll have a session on this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you on Friday, I am expecting that I will share your time of a session also. a lecture is actually been planned on the day from 11 to 1 Friday. So I'm expecting the from 11 onwards you need to catch up what exactly blocks are being written and how it is been written. Okay, so be prepared on Friday because this will be considered as an evaluation from my side for yourself. Okay.
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 So you can see here,
Hmm.
I am in the Google My Business Profile Manager dashboard, and you can see that find and manage your business. So there are option. When I have my business on Google, then I simply write here my business name and I can search for that. But in case of Rushikesh, his business is not on Google. So here is one option: add your business to Google. Simply, I can click on it. Then my business name, that is
शेयर फोल्डर में
Vedananda
पुराना मैंने एक फोल्डर में डाल दिया वो बात
Grocery
खत्म है ये
Shop.
जो है वो अपडेटेड है पावर नहीं आया क्या सर
Then simply we have to enter our category here. So here also a drop down list, and we can only uh, only select category from there. uh, so see that when I type here a grocery shop and enter, so there are many options, and we can select one from there also. Then simply click on next. Then do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office, Rushikesh?
Yes, sharing my location in chat box.
No, there is one question. Do you
Yes, yes,
want
yes.
to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? There is your
Yes, yes,
store also, na?
yes.
So we can click on yes, then click on next. Rushikesh, your street address, city, pin code, please send.
Maharashtra.
Yes. Street address, Rushikesh. Please type. Don't send it on Google link.
orally you can tell orally Rushikesh you tell to orally your address
At
Rushikesh, please.
हाँ
Sonai.
सो नहीं
Sonai.
तालुका नेवासा डिस्ट्रिक्ट
Sonai.
अहमदनगर
So nahi.
In
Okay.
bracket, Karwandi Road.
अच्छा.
खरवंडी रोड यस
कौन सा रोड?
Karwandi Road. KHA
खरवंडी रोड.
खरवंडी रोड
Road.
नेवासा
Karwandi Road.
यस दैट्स इट ठीक इट्स ओके
Okay. City Sonai.
सिटी सो नहीं पिन
Then
कोड
pin code
414105.
414105.
4105.
Okay. We have already select our state, that is Maharashtra. Then simply click on next. Rushikesh, where is your location?
Already sent it.
Please tell here. I want to select a proper location
टेक सैटेलाइट
from
व्यू
here.
टेक सैटेलाइट व्यू सो दैट इट विल बी विजिबल सैटेलाइट व्यू यस इट्स राउरी नेवासा रोड वेर इज इट ऋषिकेश सोनईमध्ये जाऊन दाखव ना सध्या सोनई
Karwandi Road.
इज राउरी नेवासा रोड ना झूम
Zoom out.
झूम आउट कर थोडंसं ऋषी हे नमस्कार
So,
नमस्कार नमस्कार काय म्हणतात
Rushikesh,
Dhanasri, can
नाही नाही काय नाही स्वामीनाथ तुम्ही नाही फोन
open
कधी
another
करत नाही
tab
कमी कमी चुकून तर
and
लागला
share the link
काय
in
नाही
description box.
झालं
Can
झालं
open and similar as
नाही परत काय झालंच नाही मी विचारतो मी
no.
त्यांना काय हं?
So we can
हं.
simply add this
हो
location
का
for
मस्त
just now to
बरं बरं
demonstrate.
बरं थांबवलंय का
So
तुम्ही
or we can
हं,
change it
विचारतो
later
मी त्यांना
also.
विचारतो तुम्हाला फोन करतो तसं हं?
okay,
So
okay.
it is okay. In this tab, we have to select our location, proper location here, and then simply click on next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customer, you can let them know where
No,
you are willing to go.
नो
Yes or no?
नो
Okay. Then click on next. Contact info, Rushikesh,
मोबाईल नंबर ऋषी
7387
7387
829832
829832.
9832.
Okay. So here is one option, current website URL, or we can simply select this. I don't have a website. Then click on next. Stay in no. Yes. We are click here on yes. Want updates and recommendation for your business on Google. We click on yes and then simply click on next. So there are two options. In order to fully manage or choose a way to verify business on Google, you will need to confirm it's yours. Select now. Phone number, language English. Rushikesh, can you please? You will receive a one code. Please tell me that. You will receive a text message for verification code.
Yeah. 38.
38.
1 minute. Just a minute. 380972.
380972.
72.
Then we click on verify. You are now verified. Is on Google. Our business now. Our business is on Google. So somebody search for Vedananda grocery shop. They can see our business on Google. Here are some steps from where we can add our business hours. Rushikesh, after this lecture, you can contact me or I can update this also. Then let customer message your business on Google for free. We can click on next. So there are some options to update our settings. So I can skip here. I want also add my description, and there is one description limit, that is I simply add a description for 750 characters only, not more than that. Then add your photos here also. We can add our photos or our menus. So simply skip. Your business is almost ready. When so when we register our business on Google, we see that one dashboard is here. Here are our info. Uh, Here we can see that our name and all our information. We can add our service areas, also add our hours when we are working, add our website and all. So in this at the left hand side you can see that there are some options: home, post, menu, food ordering, insight, reviews, products. This is there are one option that is website. Google, when we register on Google provide us a raw website. We don't need to buy or buy a website for here. We can also edit our website from here also. So simply click on it. There are some photos and all themes. We can also choose, click on themes and select a theme from theme, and here we can see that our contact details, our map is here, our address, get call now, business hours, and all we can add here. So this is a process of so this is a process of registering our business on Google. So website, I can add my website details, Google my business. So address Sonai. Rishikesh, can you please tell once your zip code or postal code?
414105.
4141, sorry,
Zero.
414105. Okay. Service, here are, we can also set our map location and our service areas. So Rishikesh, please tell me in which areas you can serve your service.
Sonai, I think so. Sonai in Kharvandi, na? Only, put two. Yes, Sonai in Kharvandi.
Sonai, Maharashtra.
And Kharvandi, Maharashtra.
There are no results for
Okay,
that.
let it be. We'll keep it Sonai only. That's okay, no problem.
Okay. So we can add our business hour also. So here we can simply add on always open, temporary service changes, operating as usual, temporary close, open with service changes, operating as usual. So here are some we can add our products, add our product additional information and all. So another accounts we can add here our Instagram account also. So Rushikesh, you have your Instagram account for your business.
Yes, yes.
Can you please?
No, no business account, but is my account.
Okay, so can you please tell me the uh, your password all, so we can connect your Instagram account to your page, and later you will change your login details. Rushkesh,
Hello.
yes. So our page is ready. We can see here.
Okay, so for adding into Instagram, where is the setting exactly? Suppose now we have not provided you credential. So let it him get updated his profile on Instagram. So for updation, where he have to click? Just show him.
Okay.
Yes.
Here we can see that option manage page business sites, business suits and all. When we go to bottom, there is one option settings. So we have to click on settings. Then here is one option that is Instagram. When we click on Instagram, there is one option to connect a account. Here we want to click on continue, and then
Put
uh,
yes.
this screen is opens, and we simply have to type our Instagram ID and password and click on login. Then it shows that our account is connected to our page.
Okay.
Rushikesh, uh, yes, or yes, or one sec, sir. So yesterday I tell you about the business suits also, and how to schedule our post and all. So here I can give you one example for that. Uh, Simply when we want to schedule a post or post something on our page simultaneously on Facebook and Instagram also, then uh, first we want to connect our Facebook page to our Instagram account. Then our Facebook page look like this only. Then there is one option, go to business suite. We click on it. Then this is dashboard. Yesterday I also explain about it. Then I want to click on create post. I want to select here. So here we can see that my Facebook page and my Instagram page also I can see here. So I want to select both. If I want to post on both platforms at the one at once only. So here uh, we can add our text, what caption we want to post for our photos and all. When we scroll to down, here is one option for media, add a video or create a video. So I simply click on it. Downloads, immunity booster shots. Okay, this is my media. I want to post today on my page. Then here one option is there. We can add our location also. So simply I can add here my location, Pune, Maharashtra. Then here we can see that how my post look like on an Facebook. So it look like that only. I can see here my post on what is look of my post on an Instagram. So I want to publish this post. Then I want to click on this publish option, and if I want to schedule this post, then I simply click on this arrow, drop down arrow, then schedule a post. Then this pop-up box is open on our screen, and here we can and set a date and time. So here I schedule my post for I can change here. So I want to share my post at 11:30 a.m. today. So simply I can click here on save, and here we can see that to be scheduled for Jan 11, 2022, 11:30 a.m. Then click on schedule post. Here we can see that it take few our post is scheduled now. This is a procedure to schedule a post, and now at 11:30 we can see that our post is published on our page. That is so. Hello.
Y- Yes, yes, good, Dhanashree.
Yes.
This is the only thing what is expected from all the students because all can create the pages. What you need is that you have to know the details of how to get processed, whether to open a business account on Google, and after opening a business account, what all settings you need to do. You can create a web pages also freely that you have shown already to all the students. So
Yes, sir.
rather than paying money to some GoDaddy for your personal website, you just a drag and drop. You can put a content over there. You can create a business pages over there, and you can link it with the Facebook page also. So this is a
Yes, sir.
very good explanation. Within 40 minutes, you have explained in a very systematic way. Any lay person can understand, I think so. Okay. So
Yes.
Rushikesh,
Thank you, sir.
Dhanashree, well day. Daneshwar, are you comfortable? Vishal, you got joined very late, but the way she has, I will be sharing this video on your class also. Now, this is a responsibility of Rushikesh that you should change your credential. Hmm? You change your credential,
Yes,
okay?
Rushikesh, after this class, you can contact me. Then we can add your Facebook account to your Instagram account and add some all details, add all the details to your Google My Business profile also.
Good session. It was really good. What all new
Thank you, sir.
things? What all new things are there apart from this? Because we now you have created a page, you have created a business
Yes,
account also. You have published the post also in the scheduled way.
yes.
Anything. If I want to boost my pages, maximum people should get access. Anything like that? Some paid things.
Okay. Yes. Sir, here is our page. Yesterday I also told you explain that how I can invite members to our page and all. So in a case of generate traffic on my page, on
Yes.
our page there are two options for Facebook. That is first is organic and second is paid.
Okay. So
In an organic pattern we can simply click on this Snehal Kadu. I select my account from this, and I can share this post from for groups in and groups now all. So it this is organic way to generate traffic on my page.
okay.
When people click on when people click on my post, and they redirect to my page, and they can like my page and all.
Okay.
And another way is paid.
Mm,
So here we wa- we wa- we want to click on ads manager. This is a paid way. We can
yeah, you can increase the
sometimes
you can
we see.
increase the traffic also by paying the money to Facebook. That's it. Okay.
Yes. So sometimes we can see many ads when we scroll our Facebook. There are
Sponsored, they say they
yes,
sponsored ads. They always there is a message
yes,
sponsored ad. Yes, yes,
sponsored ads. So
yes.
there
The-
are ads. We can click here. There are we can So there are three options: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Uh, when I want to simply know my business or business to more peoples, then I simply click on reach. These are the campaign types.
Then
When I
now what
want
is
to
Dhanashree? What we'll do that is that now we'll ask all the students to prepare the page. next lectures, whenever we will be scheduling like in the next week, I'm expecting that we need to go for paid also, because nowadays organic way of generating is very difficult. So we need to pay some
Yes,
money.
yes,
It's because your client is there to get in traffic on your pages. So we'll have this
yes, sir.
session of creating a paid advertisement, so that everyone, I think Ishita and the students who are there in a group, they will be knowing how this ad will be promoted to many people, and how can we catch a huge traffic for our pages. So I am expecting the session will be scheduled in the next week, I think so. Probably you be ready with this, and as you are already
Yes, sir.
working with this experience of promoting with organic and inorganic way of your advertisement, it will be really a demonstration, a live demonstration to all of the students in next
Okay,
session.
sir.
Okay, so very
Okay, sir.
good. It was really nice to hear you for now non-stop 40 minutes on this concept of what you call as a digital marketing. Theoretical part we will be learning into the sessions,
Thank
but
you.
what is most important is that a practical demonstration is most important. And Dhanashree, though she is working, she has already explained in a very systematic way. We do appreciate Dhanashree, your contribution for the session, and we'll meet in the next session,
Thank you,
and
sir.
we'll have a very detailed explanation on the paid version also, so how we can pay. And there is no need for you to be here, you can get a client from your side. This is a side business you can start for digital marketing also, if you have an PRO with many people. So Rushikesh, you can start your business like this also, you can get an help from Dhanashree. Yes, Rushikesh, are you there? Ishita?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you can start your part time also, because you just contribute to Dhanashree, and you can get it to your business. What is required is that we are in a professional course, and we need to think in a professional way also. So good day, and have a good week of getting something new ideas and implement the idea what she has shared today. The video will be shared, but expecting that you should implement it in a real life scenario. Yes, we shall. Dhanashree Velde, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You do it that also. Huh? You also try it at home for your business also. Hmm? Ishita, you can create your pages on Facebook and you get a promotion for that also. Okay. So we'll meet on next session, and we'll continue with the session. Till then, take care and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.